Do you cook with vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or canola oil? Most people do. I also use these seed oils. We've been told for decades that these oils are heart healthy and better than butter. But what if I told you these so-called healthy oils are destroying your health, damaging your heart, your brain, and even speeding up aging? In this video, I'll explain the hidden dangers of seed oils and why doctors are finally warning us to stop using them. Why seed oils took over our kitchens. Seed oils like soybean, corn, sunflower, and canola have become popular because they're cheap, easy to produce, and food companies are promoting them. That's why you'll find them in almost every packaged snack, fried food, and even healthy products at the supermarket. But just because they're everywhere doesn't mean they're good for our health. The hidden dangers you need to know. 1. High in omega-6 fatty acids. Your body needs some omega-6 fats, but seed oils contain too much. Your body needs a balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats for our good health. This imbalance leads to chronic inflammation, which is the root cause of heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. 2. They break down when heated. Most people use seed oils for frying. But when these oils are heated, they oxidize and produce harmful compounds called aldehydes. These compounds attack your cells and put stress on your organs. 3. Linked to heart disease. Seed oils were promoted as heart healthy, but research now shows they can actually increase bad cholesterol and contribute to clogged arteries. 4. Harmful to the brain. Excess omega-6 fats may interfere with brain health. This increases the risk of anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 5. Hidden in packaged foods. Even if you aren't using seed oil in your kitchen, you're still eating them. Chips, cookies, crackers, fast food. Almost all processed foods are cooked in with these cheap seed oils. 6. They speed up aging. When seed oils oxidize, they create free radicals. These damage collagen and skin elasticity. This results in more wrinkles, making you age faster. What to use instead? Here's the good news. You have more healthier, safer cooking and eating oils. Olive oil, perfect for salads and light cooking. Coconut oil, stable at high heat, great for frying. Ghee or butter, natural fats used for centuries without issues. Avocado oil, heart healthy and heat stable. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, what you cook with is just as important as what you eat. Protect your health by choosing better oils. Your heart, brain, and skin will thank you later. And you may also slow down your aging speed.